Alright guys, so this video I'd like to talk about how to see who reported me or how many reports I received on Dota 2. So my behavior is kind of weird in this update, the communication score and the behavior score, since it brought up getting weird matchmaking, although I haven't reported anyone that much. But in order to see it, you have to go to your Steam. So go to your Steam page over here and go to your games, and on the games you can see my game stats. Over here you're gonna click Ditech Gaming, whatever your personal game info, click account, and over here click incoming match player report. Alright, so in here, so it said 15 match counts, so last 15 match I received 1 report, 15 comments, and my behavior remained 10,000. It's remained same. So yeah, those are it's pretty clean. My as you can see, my behavior all remain 10,000. So yeah. So those are the reports that I got. Not more than 1. Yeah, some people might get 2 or 3, then your behavior might decrease. So yeah. So let me know in the comment what you guys think about this video. Let me check. Very old, because I was toxic once. Like a long time ago. Yeah, like during here I was very toxic. As you can see, I received 3 reports, which is crazy. So yeah, thanks for watching, have a nice day, take care.